What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to our channel. We started this YouTube channel over 2 years ago, and we have vlogs from over 15 countries and give you guys travel tips that we learned along the way.
Yes, and today we're going to show you some of our top travel items that we love to travel with.
Over 20 items here.
Yes, and none of these items are sponsored. These are all our own opinions, so let's just get right into it.
So I can't talk about a travel essential video and not talk about the most essential item, your luggage. Now I searched far and wide, and after doing a lot of research, this was the best bag to me. And this is the Wandered Hexside Access Duffel Bag. So there's tons of features that I love about this bag, but mostly it's the lay flat clamshell opening. Tons of pockets to hide and store items. It has a laptop sleeve, built-in packing cubes, which is a game changer. A separate shoe compartment. It is comfortable, durable, and most importantly, has a lifetime warranty. And all 20 of these items actually fit into this one bag.
And you can actually check out our video on how we actually pack this bag as a personal item to avoid baggage fees. It's linked up above and in the description.
So while I do love that book bag, I don't always need all the items in it at all times. So for myself, I use this day bag. Now I love this day bag, and my wife actually got it for me for Christmas about 2 years ago. And you guys can actually see that linked in our Amazon storefront. Some features that I love about this bag: it has a charger on the side. It has so many pockets. It actually has a lock on the front of it. And I love the versatility of being able to wear it on my back, or most importantly on my front, because I can avoid pickpocketers trying to sneak into my back because I can see anybody trying to get in my bag. But what I love the most about it is the space and storage that it has. So in this bag, I'm able to carry my drone controller, my portable charger, my camera, and my camcorder that I record all my YouTube videos on. So all of my electronics and my passport and my wallet all go into this crossbody bag. I highly recommend it.
Now while that bag is nice, I'm a little bit more fashion forward, so this is my day bag. It's Teddy Blake, and they represent fashion at a fraction. So they use all the high quality materials that luxury brands do, but they don't cost as much. So they have a new collection every month, so they have a bunch of different styles that's constantly being released, and I just love that they have luxury for a fraction of the price. So especially when I'm trying to look cute on vacation, this is the bag for me.
And while our last bag was cute, it's super important to be functional as well. So I really love this day bag because it's a waterproof fanny pack. And especially because we're always in the beach, we're always doing adventure and water activities, it's super important to make sure that our stuff is safe and secure.
So it's really easy. You just snap these 3 little sections and then it just becomes waterproof, and it keeps all of our stuff safe that we want to carry in here. And I love it. It has adjustable around the waist. It'll fit you nicely, and I love it.
Highly recommend it. Okay, so now we're done with bags and we're moving on to our next session, which is clothing and footwear. So the next item that I'll talk about are my favorite travel pants, and I love them so much that I wear them to the airport, I wear them to the pool, I wear them on a hike, I wear them for almost any occasion. And these are my Laurent Rose track pants right here. So I'll actually show you guys how easy and how versatile they are. So literally, there's a zipper right here.
These are his favorite pants.
Yes. And I'm just gonna zip around, and look, they're shorts, just like that. And the thing that I'll say that are different about these than others is that they actually look good, and they're fitting, and they also are flexible. So I highly recommend these pants here.
So this is our next item, and you're probably wondering, what even is this? So it's actually, pass it to me. It is actually this jacket. So this jacket is windproof, waterproof, and thermal-regulated. So it's good for just about any season, any condition that you're gonna run into on vacation. It's obviously easily packable because it folds right into itself, just like this.
And the thing that I love about it is layerable as well. So yeah. This one right here, you see this little one actually folds into, give me a second, this reversible jacket. So this once again is another waterproof vest that goes right on top of
this one.
So we both got one of these, and we travel with these pretty much almost on any single vacation because we just love it. Now the next thing for me are t-shirts, more specifically Fresh Clean Threads. And I love this brand because it fits around the arms really well. They are super soft and they have so many different colorways.
And also a percentage of every sale that they make goes towards ocean preservation, so we love that over here.
Absolutely. Now my next item is actually the shirt that I have on right now. Now while it looks like a super simple white t-shirt, the technology of it is crazy. Now this t-shirt right here is from Firebox. And as an adventurer, the shirt is great because it's anti-oil, it's stain-proof, and it's waterproof. And I'll actually show you guys a demonstration right here. Alright, here's the water, watch. Look at that, it just kind of beads up. Next up is the stain test. I got some ketchup to show you guys. Okay. Look at that. Comes right off. Look at that.
So they only use eco-friendly materials in packaging, and it's sweat absorbing and very breathable, so it's really an amazing shirt. Okay, and next up are these Nike Oasis sandals, and you probably see me wear these in every single video because I really wear them on every vacation. So pretty much they have a nice soft foam footing, and I use them as my water shoe, I use them as my hiking shoe. They take me from here to there, everywhere. I love these shoes, they're very comfortable, and they've never let me down.
And personally for me, I don't wear sandals, but I have these Tropic Feel shoes that I use for my water shoes. And the reason why I love these shoes is because they're water shoes, they're hiking shoes, they're walking to town shoes, they're as versatile gets, and in my bag, look how these fold up. Like this takes up no space in my bag, but they're on my feet all the time anyway, so it doesn't matter.
So now we're shifting gears going into skincare. So number one is my Black Girl sunscreen right here. So we want to make sure that we are glowing in the sun, not getting burnt or anything like that. So this is why this is very essential. I use this every day even when I'm not on vacation. They also have a kids version, and it has pretty much the same ingredients. This one's SPF 50, this one's SPF 30. The kids one is a little bit cheaper, but the number one reason why I love the Black Girl sunscreen is because it doesn't leave a white cast on my face like most other sunscreens do. So this is my go-to.
Support Black-owned brands. And the next item for us is Flourish Whipped Mango Butter. And this is how I go from ashy to classy. I love this item because of the versatility of it. So it is Black owned, woman owned, handmade, and organic products, right?
Yes.
And I use this for on my body. I use it for my hair, and the best part about it, honestly, is it's a solid. So what that means is you don't need to worry about how many ounces it is, and you can just go right through TSA with this.
Easy. It's one of my favorite products, and I use it every day.
And now we're going to switch to electronics. And the first thing that I'll talk about is my mini versatile camera. And I actually use two depending on where I am. So this one right here is the DJI Osmo Pocket 2. And I love this because, let me pull it out. It's small, it's easy to use, it shoots 4K, it has a screen on the front, and especially when I'm places, this looks like a toy. Like people never feel like I'm a YouTuber or I'm a blogger. They just look like I have a toy, and it shoots super crisp video, so I highly recommend this one. But the one downfall of this is that it's not waterproof. So for those things, I use this. And this is a GoPro Max. The reason why I love this one is that it's waterproof. It has 360 video, so it shoots some really cool footage of showing everything. So I don't have to worry about recording front ways, recording back ways. It records literally everything. So a combination of these two, I think, is a game changer if you guys want to record and create memories on vacation.
So next up we have the tile. So this is really good for different size items, like to help you find your keys, your wallet, or your bag. So if you just have the free tile app, click finds and it'll find your item for you.
What I love about this is, especially now when everybody's check bags and luggage is getting lost, is to put a tile or an air tag in your luggage. Doesn't matter. And the reason why I love that is because airlines are going to say your baggage is lost, or they say they can't find it, and now you're stranded without luggage. But I see a lot of people are able to find their luggage and they figure out that, oh, it didn't even make it to the destination that I'm at. So having one of these is the best way to track your luggage when you're traveling. I personally use it in my wallet here, and like I'll show you right here. In my wallet, look how tiny this one. It fits in my wallet, and I'm a very forgetful person. And having this in my wallet, I never lose my wallet. I can just ping it and find it. And next on our list is a power bank. Now, you can use power banks from any brand, but I personally love Go Nimble. And the reason why I love this one is just how tiny it is. Like, this one has a USB-A and a USB-C port, and while it's so small, it does hold a lot of charge. I think it can charge my iPhone over 3 different times fully from dead.
So it has a 2-year warranty, and it comes in plastic-free packaging, and it's also made out of certified recycled materials.
I know the company is very environmentally friendly and is actually a net zero company. So definitely want to support those people as well. And as a tech junkie, this next item is a must. It's my Minex 65-watt charger. And this charger is amazing because of how tiny it is to be a 65-watt charger, and it has 2 USB-C chargers and 1 USB-A charger here as well. But the reason why I love this one is that it comes with built-in travel adapters. So this bag right here came with it, and I'll show you. This one right here, I believe, is an Asia charger. All I'm going to do is take this, and I'm literally just going to clip it on. And now, instead of being a US charger, it's now an Asia charger. Or let's change it. What is this, a UK? Let me get a UK. Here's a UK. What I'm gonna do, literally just put it on, and now the US charger is now a UK charger.
Amazing.
Boom. So the next item that we're going to talk about is a universal travel adapter. Now, I love this universal travel adapter because we got it on Amazon for under $20. Now, this product is amazing because it has 5 different ports, and unlike the Minex charger, it also has something for a power outlet to go in as well. Now, unfortunately, I think that I left the charger in Asia. I think maybe in Bali. I mean, check out that blog, but yeah, I don't have it anymore, but I definitely need to order another one.
It's essential. And this universal travel adapter can be used in over 200 countries.
So if you can't be without your electronics, don't go without the travel adapter.
Yes. Alright, so next up is this waterproof phone case, which has been one of my favorites, especially when I'm doing all these different water activities and I want to be hands-free because it can go right around my neck. I can wear my phone right like this, and I'm in the water, so it came in really good handy when we were in the hot springs in Costa Rica. So perfect when you want to be hands-free in a water activity, don't want to look for your phone in pockets or anything like that. It's right here. You can still use it because it's clear. So definitely travel essential.
The thing that I love about it is that even though it has the plastic case, you can still touch all the buttons.
Yeah.
So you can go out and still record videos and still do other things while it's in this as well. So definitely a good item to have.
So the next item that I think is really cool is actually these Cadence travel capsules. So they're magnetic and they can come pre-labeled, like this one I say hair gel, hair serum, or they can come unlabeled as well. They come in different colors depending on what you want to put inside of them. They're non-absorbable, so you don't have to worry about anything getting into your product that you're going to be using. And these are really cool for shorter trips if you're packing hair products, or you can pack vitamins in here as well. And for our next item, we have this Reese travel bottle, which is black owned and woman owned. It's larger than the Cadence travel capsules, so this is actually 3.4 ounces. So this can hold more hair product if you're going on a longer trip. Also, it's leak-proof, silicone-free, and it's airtight as well.
And the thing that I love about it is, once again, this is under the TSA amount. So you can put this into your carry-on, your personal item, or if you want, you can check it as well. And the next item we're going to talk about is a microfiber travel towel. And why I love this item is the versatility of it. So this brand is MecoPack, and just look how small it is. Now, this towel can be used as a pillow, it can be used as a towel, it can be used to dry you off, it can be used for the beach. You can use it for so many different items.
We use it for all of those different things.
Yes. And our next item is actually from the same company, which is MecoPack, and it's a collapsible water bottle.
So one way to save money at the airport is to avoid spending money on those very expensive beverages that they love to sell you there, and by bringing this empty water bottle with you, so you can just fill it up once you get through TSA and you'll be on your way.
Now the thing that I love about it is while it's small in size, it can quickly fill up a whole bunch of water, so definitely versatile. And the next item is a reinforcement lock. And this is great for all my solo travelers or anybody who wants an additional sense of security on their travels. For wherever you want to stay, from your hotels to your Airbnbs, even to your hostels, it's great just to have this. It's super easy to use and it literally just goes right in the door. You lock it and if somebody tries to come in, it'll slam them so that they can't come back in the door. So definitely good to have, and it's really unaffordable. You can find this linked in our Amazon storefront.
So there you have it. That was our top 21 travel essential items, and they have all been really useful for every time that we travel. And we have them all linked in the description for you.
And if you guys got anything from this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and everything's also included in our website and blog form, so just check it out there as well.
Thank you guys. We'll see you on the next one.